Hello everyone, I'm in progress of making a new Carrom board. Here I am putting it together oak hardwood 1/4 inch with pine wood. These wide boards are pine 5.5 inch wide, and these boards are going to be used for a large Carrom board like a jumbo board. Um, Here these are actually going to help for a better bounce and dent free Carrom boards. Over here you can see all this glue is squeezed. That means there is no air gap or anything, and it will have a long lasting and better bounce. I hope you liked it. Thank you.